Hello guys, so today we will learn something about the ImageJ. This is very basic software which is used to analyze and process the images. So it's very powerful tool and it's widely used in research, especially in biology, material science and for medical imaging. And there are several applications including scientific image analysis, microscopy and histology, material science and engineering, medical imaging, quantitative imaging measurement and journal image processing. So we will discuss their uses one by one. So first is we can use this software for scientific image analysis, where we can count the cells, fluorescence quantifications, particle tracking, and also we can access the overlap of different signals. So another use is in microscopy and histology, where we can stitch the images and we can construct the 3D images and also measure the morphology as well as time-lapse imaging. And it's also most widely used in material science and engineering, where we can analyze the porosity of any materials after the SCM analysis, crack propagations, grain size distributions, and which is commonly used for the metallurgy, and phase analysis as well. So apart from that, we can also use in medical industries like MRI, CT, X-rays analysis, and tumor volume measurements and bone density estimations. So in case of quantification image measurement, we can perform the intensity profiling, area, perimeter and circularity, and histogram analysis. And finally, we can also use the ImageJ for journal image processing, including filtering and enhancements, segmentations, image stacks, and batch processing. So this is very useful software. Now I will show you how to download this software. So we can just go to the Google and write the ImageJ download. It's open software. And choose the website imagej.net. So here you can see this is the home page of the ImageJ, and there are many options. You can study the features, notes, documentations, and download. So when you click on the download, there are multiple options. You can download for Mac, for Windows, so using the links below. So these are fully free software. Thank you for watching the video. So now in next tutorial I will show you how to use this software.